Rahim. This is October 2008, question number 5. And what is the question we have? If you look at carefully, students, so function is given here, and angle is 360 degree, and AB are both positive. He mentioned here, okay? And maximum value is 10, minimum value is -2. Find AB value. So job number 1. So this is the most important thing. You're familiar or not? This negative sign represent the negative amplitude. You know, students, but basically what happens, I show you. This is a very important thing to understand. If we have a positive amplitude, curve start this way, this way, this way, or this way. But if negative amplitude, this way, like a positive amplitude start from here, negative amplitude start from bottom. And due to this negative amplitude, it means it will start from bottom. So let's see, it means this is not a graph, this is my graph. So I just show one idea here. Okay, so what the maximum value is what? This is maximum value. So it means here 10. Against what angle? And this angle is always 180. All right. And the minimum value is -2. So this is a minimum value -2. And you can use 360 degree or you can use 0. No issue at all. So it means this sentence I can convert f of what value will give you maximum 180 degree. So at 180 degree, I have a 10. And -2, you can take 0 or 360 degree. You can take any number and give you -2. So I think so all people, students are understanding what is going on. So now I'm going to start. Okay, and inshallah, I believe you will understand. Okay, so this is a basic concept. You must have it. If you don't have it, it is a little bit hard to solve. Now, first of all, I will plug in 0 here and 0 here. So let's start. F of 0, both sides I'm going to put. And f of 0 is equals to -2. I'm copying -2. And cos of 0, if you type in calculator, we are getting here cos 0 is 1. So this is 1. I write or don't write. So equation 1 is done. First I plug in 0. Now I plug in 180 degree. So when I plug in 180 degree in both sides, so I get this kind of approach. F of 180 degree is 10. So I'm copying here 10. And cos of 180 degree, type in calculator, -1. -1 into negative give you positive. So it means A plus B. I get it. Equation number 2, right done. Now I'm going to solve them simultaneously. So I'm going to start now, solve them simultaneously. Let's start. So first of all, this equation I'm copying under it here. -2 is equal to A minus B. So equation 1, rewrite here. And this cancel out. And I get what? A plus A. 2A, I got 8. And finally, I get A equals to 4. This value I can plug in one equation here or here. I put in 2. When I plug in here, I get 10 is equals to 4 plus B. 4 goes there and subtract. So I get a B is equals to 6. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, A4, B6, I got it. Okay. So this is a one way. All right. We have another way also available, but I think so this is a very clear to you. Or without knowing this one, I can plug in even look at here. If I plug in directly without knowing this data, okay, students, I can plug in 0 here and 0 here. All right, and I can plug in, for example, any number. But I think this is a more suitable way to understand. Fx equal to 0. First of all, I will plug in A value, B value back in equation. Like, look, I'm showing you. Part number 2. F of x is equals to this 4 goes here and this 6 goes here. So it means 4 minus 6 cos x. Now he's saying put f of x is equals to 0. Then what will happen is nothing hard onward to understand. This cos x will come, 6 will cos x will come left hand side. So cos x. So cos inverse 6 will go under it. So 4 upon 6. And if I type in calculator, so and make sure calculator must be in now in degree mode. Why degree mode? Because it is mentioned already. And cos inverse 4 by 6 will give us 48.2 degree. Okay, cos is positive, which quadrant? You know, first quadrant and fourth quadrant. So 48.2, I get it here, and 48.2, I get it here. So my first answer is this. My second answer is this. So I think easy. So I'm writing x is equal to 48.2. Second is a 360 minus 48.2. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So answers are 48.2 and 311.8. Because degree always write 1 dp, 1 decimal place. This is the main reason. Okay, students, let's go for third part. Okay, third part is what here, students, if you look at it carefully, sketch the curve. So it means I will sketch. But first of all, it means I will sketch this. Basically, when I will sketch this one, so basically what you want to know, two things, three things, sorry. The multiplying with cos is called amplitude. Amplitude. This is a very important criteria. And the thing is, adding or subtracting the number, whatever the number, it is called axis. It is called axis. I think point is very, very clear. And inside the bracket, whatever the number variable here. This is called NOC, number of cycles. Because we have a one, so it means one cycle is there. So I'm going to make it. And all students get ready. So 0 here, uh, 4 plus 6. Oh yeah, let me check. Okay, hold on. This is a 6 positive. When is 6 goes there, is but this minus will stay behind. So it means, students, it will, some student think that is a plus 6. No, it is a remain minus 6. So it's a very clear idea. Now 0, and I will make it to four equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 360 degree, this 180, this 90, and this 270. And the highest value you just learned, if I want to find the highest and lowest, what is value? Cos replaced by plus 1 and minus 1. Anyway, this 4 is the middle line. This middle line is called axis. So I'm writing here 4. And 4, you 6 add, you got a 10. So peak value is 10. From say 4, subtract 6, you got a negative 2. That is why you observe before, students, the peak value which we get it is 10, and the lowest minus 2. Look, I show again. Look at here. Look at here. This is 10 and minus 2. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I hope so you got a point what I'm explaining. Now, because some students join like that. Wrong. Whenever we join, the curve will go this bending, this curve bending. And second part, it goes bend this way. Okay, then it will bend like this, and afterwards it will bend like this. So make sure this bending, if you make it like that, question become wrong. So you have to draw the curve like this, and this is sketching. So I hope so the point is very, very clear.